In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut a video from the middle section in Canva. This is really useful when you have a long clip and there's a part in the middle you don't want, like a pause, a mistake, or just a section that doesn't fit your final video. First, make sure your video is already on your Canva timeline or page. If it isn't, upload your video to Canva, then drag it onto your design so it appears on the canvas and on the timeline at the bottom. Now, look for the black playhead line on your timeline. This is the thin vertical line that shows where you are in the video. To remove a section from the middle, you'll need to move and drag that black line to the point where you want the cut to start. You can drag it slowly along the timeline and use the preview window to help you find the exact frame where you want the unwanted part to begin. Once the black line is in the right spot, right-click on the video in the timeline. A small menu will appear. From that menu, click on Split Page. This will cut your video into two separate segments at that exact point. Next, you want to move the black line again, this time to the end of the section you want to remove. Drag the playhead further along the timeline until you reach the point where you want your video to continue. Again, use the preview to double check you're at the right moment. Right-click on the video at this new position and click on Split Page again. Now your single video has been divided into three parts: the section before the unwanted middle section itself, and the section after it. Click on the middle segment, the part you don't want. Right-click on that middle section, and then click on Delete Page. Canva will remove that chunk, leaving the remaining two parts back to back, so your video plays smoothly without the deleted section. As you do this, follow any on-screen prompts Canva might show, since the interface can update from time to time. When you're done, play your video from the beginning to make sure the cut looks natural and that there are no awkward jumps or missing audio you meant to keep. Once you're happy with it, you can continue editing or go ahead and download your final video.